Welcome back to the channel. This is another video in our series Learn HTML the right way. And we're progressing. So this time around, what we want to do is to get our environment set up by downloading the code editor we will need to work as a developer, because you are already becoming a web developer. So let's go to Chrome. So I'm on Chrome now. Don't worry, to get here is not actually hard. So what I just did is to search for VS Code. So once you search for VS Code in Chrome, so it takes you to a page like this. Then you click on download. So depending on your the OS you are using, Mac OS, Linux or Windows. So I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click this. I've installed it already, so I don't need to click it again. So once you click it, it's going to download. And if you are using any other distribution, so just pick appropriate option. So once you install your VS Code, it's going to open and you have something of this nature on the screen. So you have this and nothing more than that. So that's just what you need now. That's just what you need now. We don't need more than that. So let's keep going in the series. Thank you.